5 cars that should never have left the factory. 1. Pontiac Aztek, 2001 to 2005. The Pontiac Aztek has been mercilessly criticized, earning the title of a minivan in drag monstrosity by Car and Driver. Its design, a bizarre blend of SUV and sporty sedan, is so off-putting that even a blobfish would hesitate to be seen next to it. Despite a brief moment of fame as Walter White's ride in Breaking Bad, it remains a prime example of automotive ugliness on every expert's list. 2. AMC Pacer, 1975 to 1979. Among the plethora of unattractive American cars from the 70s, the wedge-shaped AMC Pacer stands out as a uniquely unappealing creation. Described as a wide-body compact by AMC, it failed to resonate with buyers, earning it the title of an obese compact for obese compact haters by The Truth About Cars. 3. Ford Edsel, 1958 to 1960. While not necessarily the ugliest car ever made, the Ford Edsel is renowned as one of the biggest flops of the 1950s. Despite Ford's substantial investment in its distinctive design, consumers rejected the flashy cruiser. 4. Chrysler PT Cruiser, 2001 to 2010. The Chrysler PT Cruiser remains a polarizing figure in automotive history. While some appreciated its aggressively retro styling, many found it visually displeasing. Described as a shrunken minivan and a bloated neon by Jalopnik, it failed to captivate beyond a niche audience, leaning too heavily on nostalgia for its appeal. 5. Ford Taurus, 1996 to 1999. In an attempt to reinvent its popular Taurus model, Ford redesigned it in 1996 with an abundance of oval shapes, resulting in a peculiar aesthetic often likened to a squashed marshmallow on wheels. This third-generation Taurus, as dubbed by Road and Track, failed to resonate with consumers, marking a downturn in Ford's sedan segment competitiveness. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast.